We're fixing to ride the Pipestem Tram. Look at it coming there. Okay. You're too high. It's okay.
I got you, baby. It's okay.
Okay, so we're not sure what's going on, but we're stopped still.
You see peoples?
And they're stopped still. And, well, they ain't no getting out of this.
Look at the people over there with the moonshine still. Come look.
Look over here. Look down in the cave. Look down here. See those people?
Yes.
Say hi.
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 Here we go. All right, I've got to be honest. I was kind of panicking.
I didn't even realize we was moving again. We're not.
Here we are
moving.
I was kind of panicking because, well, let's see if I can get a better shot down there. See, that line goes almost straight down, and, well, that's where we're going is way down yonder.
You want to sit with Yaya?
You sit down right here.
We're still moving.
We're just barely creeping. That is a big old tree.
What's that?
Got it in.
Don't touch the door.
Under here. Down
Let's check this out. Moonshiner's Cave.
Look at them peoples.
Look at that. That is cool. Sit down.
I'm okay.
No, there's people on.
So those are the old cars, and that's the old track. So after riding the tram down, this is what we get to go see.
I think they would drive riverbed to get to the river.
Maybe the sun won't be too bad, and you can see that right there. Get to sit down beside the river and relax. And here we go. Sharon's riding the tram back up the hill.
Going up, it's gonna feel so much different.
Look at
Hold me,
that.
Dad. Hold me, Dad.
Hold you? Okay, come on. You ready?
So this is the Pipestem tram, and we just got off of it.